Good afternoon, friends and viewers. Welcome back. See, HDFC is appearing to move towards the target of 740. The reason behind is since uh, February 2nd, 22, it has been trading in a range that is almost all 22 February, and this is Jan 23, more than 1 year, 3 months, or something else. Okay, so the range is it is 618 the last February, and the same range was on downside, it was 506. The last June 20 it has given a breakout, okay, and now it is taking a first swing towards the target of 740 something else. Okay, so the target may not reach immediately, but it takes time, which has to complete this range. Okay, this is the range which we are expecting. In next coming days, the target will be the 730 or 740 in and around. Okay, so keep a stop loss of 640 or 645 with the target of 740. This will be the target. This will be the target 640. Buy at present price with the stop loss of 640 or 645. It won't reach immediately, it will reach slowly with the target of 740. Thank you.